This incident took place on May 19, 2023 at a Walmart in Florida after store loss prevention officers detained a woman suspected of shoplifting. Officers responded to take custody of the suspect, but instead of a routine arrest, they encountered an uncooperative woman whose repeated resistance transformed a simple theft investigation into a much more serious criminal case.
Prevention office.
Man, if you grab me that hard again,
I'm telling you, you will walk with me.
You will, I will.
You want to play this game? Let's go. I'll drag you out to the car if you want to play that way.
Are you?
Walk on your own 2 feet.
You're a joke of police officer.
This side.
You're gonna have a real lawsuit on your hands.
Perfect.
Let go of my arm before I seriously knee you in the balls.
You want to threaten me now?
No.
You want to catch another charge?
My arm.
You want to catch another charge?
Why don't you let go?
Get in the car.
Whoa!
Get in the car before I throw you in the car.
I really hope someone's recording this because you are.
It's all on recording. Get in the car.
Ridiculous.
Get in the car.
You are such a piece of shit.
Get in the car.
Oh my god, you piece of shit.
016-86-83.
What the heck are you doing?
I'm telling you.
What are you doing?
I will pay for everything I.
That's not how this works.
Kids. I have 2 kids.
You're going to jail.
Thousands of.
Going to jail.
I'm not going to jail, man.
Yes, you
I
are.
have enough against me.
I
will
care.
do anything.
You got.
We should be good for now. Well, she pissed all over herself.
Yeah, thought about that for a second. I just haven't searched her because of the female thing, and so I just don't want to leave her too long without that. Well, go on tighter.
Yeah.
Sir, have a lawsuit on your hands.
Get out here.
You're out of here. No, you're out of here. You just
Stop.
smashed my fingers. Get off of me. Get the off of me. You smashed my fingers in the door, and I will so hard.
Stop. Are you gonna keep going?
Piece of shit.
She also tried to kick us in the balls. So
No, I did not.
yes, she did.
Look at my fingers. You're being cute. I'm not joking.
What's so complicated about this?
Oh, you know what's so complicated about it? You smashed my fingers in the goddamn door. This is f***ing Walmart, you piece of shit.
Stop moving. Do you understand me?
Oh. Oh my god. Someone needs to be actually recording. He's just got me by the throat.
I don't have you by the throat.
You had me. That's not by the throat, you mother.
Right, we're I'm heading out that way. What do you got?
Huh.
CTSO is 1054. SSO is going to try to work on getting a female. She's on another call. They're going to try to get her cleared up.
Are gonna.
Stop.
You.
Get in the car.
Look at what you did to my fingers.
You were punching the dang door.
You.
Get in the car.
Get out of my way.
Really?
This
Get in the car now.
bullshit. Oh my god. You guys are so. I'm a white woman. Look at what the you're doing to
Good.
me.
Sit down.
Out of my face.
Sit down. Now.
How am I supposed to sit down if I can't
You won't get in the
up?
car. I'll give you the opportunity. Look how you're acting.
Look at my kid, you dickhole.
Get in the car.
I'm here for my kid.
Get up on the seat. You're doing great.
I'm doing great.
Yep. Come on. Get your feet in the car now.
No.
All right. All right, there's a battery charge.
The encounter took another turn when officers attempted to position the suspect safely inside the patrol vehicle. During the struggle, she allegedly kicked one of the officers, immediately escalating the incident beyond shoplifting. Officers informed her that in addition to the theft investigation, she would now face a charge of battery on a law enforcement officer.
Going to jail for what?
Battery on me now. Stealing from Walmart. Do I gotta keep going?
What?
I'm gonna keep going if you keep acting like this. It's absolutely ridiculous. Let me glove up. We'll probably need all of this. She on that side of it. Yeah. Yeah. Super duper feisty.
Hey, come on out. Take a step out. I'm on the system again. Take a breather. Okay. Take the car. Step over.
Northport, one way 13.
Yep. Make this foot spread it out a little bit. A little bit more.
Send a call to your guy.
There you go. Do you have anything that's helpful?
Roger.
Alright.
Intel 11, 1 Edward 10. Get a hold of a guardian for a child.
That is correct.
Alright, 10-4. We found a couple extra numbers. I'll try up here in the Arctic and all of us. I tried the two that the nurses just sent me for the mother. One went to voice message, one's out of service, and there's no answer at the residence here. Dad drives a silver Jeep with black wheels. We found some other family members nearby. We're trying to. So, send me what you have, and I can swing by the address to see if
Before you put it back there, I want to adjust the cuffs a little bit too.
Yeah.
You guys, you already got your hands into it. You want to just fix this for me?
Yes, I want on.
No, you made a bad decision. And then,
If you want, you can move them
you made another bad decision
and
by
pray.
fighting.
Nothing.
Be a little more comfortable for her. She just was fighting pretty bad, so
You picked
she's
up.
calmed down a little bit.
Right.
10-4.
Resisting. You got enough for the resisting?
I still need you mean the resisting merchant, or are you talking about resisting with violence?
The resisting arrest.
Yeah, I do the resisting.
Okay.
Um,
Because you could just, it's
and
on
with,
top
when I have
of the battery.
the battery, I'll do the resisting, and I got to see if she resisted the merchant as well. I might tack that one on there. They got her in there, so I think she was just mouthing off, but she did go in, so I don't think I'm gonna do that one.
Right back in.
Cuff's good now.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you.
Officers explained that the cuffs had initially been adjusted to make her more comfortable, but her repeated attempts to escape left them with no choice but to secure them more tightly. Meanwhile, investigators discovered additional suspected stolen merchandise inside her vehicle, strengthening the retail theft investigation as the suspect continued arguing with officers all the way to the jail.
I'm going to go up.
Hold on. Tap for Is there a reason why you slipped out of your handcuffs? Is there a reason why you took the cuffs off again? 1 Edward 11 Northport. I'm 97 in the rear lot. You may want to put other gloves on. She's already peed herself once. She's threatening. Come on, sir. She's threatening all sorts of things. So,
Got another pair.
yeah. And she's slipped her cuffs now twice, and 2 different people have set them, so they're gonna have to be set a little bit tighter. She's got almost at felony shoplifting and bat Leo. So.
Oh, no. On who?
Me. Yeah, she kicked me in the wrist when we were trying to get her back in the car. So.
10-4.
You ready? Yeah?
Step out.
Great, thanks.
Come on, turn around.
Don't touch me like that. That's a little too aggressive, sir.
Okay, just turn. Stop.
No, he is being aggressive.
I get it. Put your hands together like you're praying. Still double one. Just hold her like that.
Are you okay? Do you have like superhuman strength, or what the is wrong with your arm there? Yeah, no, that's not gonna work.
Well, you keep slipping them.
I don't give a shit. Loosen
I do.
that up. Loosen them both up. That's absolutely.
Oh, you don't like it because you can't
I
go in?
don't care. That's too hard.
Yeah, maybe you'll sit appropriately.
White one, I know who before.
There's one. Strip this one out.
You need to stop
seriously grabbing me like that? Sir.
Stop.
Good luck.
No.
You want to get like again?
can't.
Stop. Come on.
Suspected shoplifting ultimately resulted in a far more serious arrest because of the suspect's repeated resistance and alleged assault on a police officer. Throughout the encounter, officers repeatedly attempted to gain voluntary compliance while also ensuring the safety of everyone involved, including the suspect's young child. The incident serves as a reminder that resisting arrest and escalating a situation can quickly transform a relatively minor theft investigation into a case carrying much more significant legal consequences.